Hello friends, welcome to my channel, and in this video we will be doing the unboxing of the Realme Buds Classics. So first of all, let us take a look at the box. At the right side of the box we get a Realme branding, as you can see, and on the left side we get a Realme branding too. At the back of the box we get some of the major highlights of the Buds, as you can see. I pre-ordered these birds from Amazon and it is in the black color. So now let us unbox the box. After just taking off this lid, we get the first look at our birds, and this is also a box. So here you can see, let me just take them out. So look at the module of the half-in-ear Realme Buds Classic. They look pretty cool here, and it is a organizer with the Realme branding on it. We get a HD microphone and a button, and this cable quality is very nice, and overall build quality is super. So if you're looking to buy a bird earphones under rupees 500, then I can definitely recommend you. In the box we get a user manual and a warranty card, we can say. So that was it for the video. Hope you enjoyed, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to my channel. Bye.